In this video, I'll show you how to get Verizon transfer PIN and account number. Firstly, open your Verizon bill or log into your Verizon account online. Go to Account Overview and your account number is listed at the top. Now to get your 6-digit number transfer PIN, dial #port from your Verizon phone. Enter your 4-digit account PIN when prompt. You'll receive an SMS with a link. Tap the link to view your number transfer PIN and its expiration date. Your account number will also be displayed in that message. If you're a part of a group plan, only one PIN is needed for all numbers in the group. Business and legacy account users may only need their 4-digit PIN security. Just confirm with Verizon customer service. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.